Shop the Divine Collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com. Hi guys, Linda Isemidoli here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing two lace types, and it's the transparent lace and the Swiss lace. You want to know the difference between the transparent lace type and the Swiss lace? If you want to know, please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, sis bro, come on, like, why are you doing me like this? Click on the subscribe button right below. If it's either here or here, please click on that button, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And of course, feel free to leave a question in the comment section. I typically respond to most questions that I see. Make use of the comment section. Let's get into today's topic, and it's the difference between the Swiss lace right here and the transparent lace. You can see these two laces right here. What is the difference between these two lace types? Transparent lace, Swiss lace. Can you tell me which one is which? Let me mix it together. Maybe you would forget which one is which and which one is not. Which is the transparent lace and which is the Swiss lace? Let me bring it very close to you so you could look at it. And do you think it's the transparent lace? And which is the Swiss lace? Look at the two of them. Transparent lace, Swiss lace. Which is which? Which is which? Which? Choose one. Let me know. You choose the one on the left or the one on the right. Let me know in the comment section. Obviously, this one right here is the transparent lace, and this other one right here is the Swiss lace. How do these two lace types differ? These two lace types differs in terms of the color of the lace. The transparent lace is more of a white colored lace, whereas the Swiss lace come in various colors. You could find a Swiss lace in the brown color, like this particular Swiss lace right here is the brown Swiss lace. There are also various types of, there are also other types of Swiss lace. Aside from the brown Swiss lace color, you find a yellowish toned Swiss lace. You would also see like a very dark brown Swiss lace, and which other colors? There are various colors of, there's like a medium brown. There are different shades of brown laces when it comes to the Swiss lace, but this one right here is a medium brown Swiss lace. As I said earlier, what makes the transparent lace differ from the Swiss lace is just the color of the lace. And also, another thing I noticed from these lace types is the texture of the lace in question. The transparent lace feels a bit more lighter than the Swiss lace. The Swiss lace is slightly thicker in the texture. The texture is thicker and it feels a bit stronger, unlike when I compare it to the texture and the thickness of the transparent lace. Transparent lace is not as thick as the Swiss lace is, and because the transparent lace is not as thick as the way the Swiss lace is, you are going to get a better blend between the transparent lace. When you put the transparent lace on your head, it's going to blend better into your skin, unlike when you compare when you put the Swiss lace right here into your skin. The Swiss lace will stand out more, unlike when you compare it to how the transparent lace will look on your skin. So obviously, if you're looking for a lace type that's going to blend better with your skin, I advise you go for the transparent lace. Though one thing that I know for sure about the transparent lace is that it's not all vendors that have the transparent lace. Some vendors have laces they call white lace. They'll say, okay, their white lace is their transparent lace. But when they eventually send the lace to you, you notice that it might not be the same white lace that they promise you. So it's not every vendor that typically has this transparent white lace. What most vendors tend to have is this medium brown lace or the yellowish lace that tends to have this green undertone to it that is just very not nice for somebody who is like African skin like me. Those laces that tend to have this greenish undertone to it doesn't really work well on our skin. So this color of lace is best suited for people with African skin, African complexion, like this brown African complexion. When it comes to price points, which of these laces is more affordable? Because of the fact that most hair companies don't have the transparent lace, you find that when you have to go source the transparent lace from companies that tend to carry it, it might be slightly more expensive than the Swiss lace. But for companies that tend to have Swiss lace, HG lace, transparent lace, you notice that the transparent lace is the same price as the Swiss lace. So it all depends on if the company you are sourcing your hair extension from typically has the transparent lace. If they don't have the transparent lace and it's just the Swiss lace you find, you notice that the price of the Swiss lace and the transparent lace, when you compare it from the vendor that has the transparent lace and that of the Swiss, and the vendor that has the Swiss lace, this might be slightly more expensive. And in some cases, the Swiss lace could also be more expensive depending on the quality of the hair on the lace. Like the hair on this particular Swiss lace right here is a raw hair. This is raw hair on this Swiss lace right here, while the hair on this HD lace here is a virgin hair. It's not the quality of this hair here is not as good as the quality on this hair right here. So as much as this is transparent lace, the quality of the lace is really nice, the quality of the hair on the lace is what actually matters most if you're somebody who is very keen about the quality of your hair. So as much as lace might be HG lace, Swiss lace, transparent lace, if you are not getting the lace from the same vendor you got the hair from, you need to be worried about the quality of the hair type that was used. The quality of the hair that was used in ventilating the lace is what will determine how nice the hair will look when it blends with the other hair you're using, the other bundles you're using to make the wig and all. Like this one right here, as I said, is a virgin hair, while this other one right here is a raw donor hair. So you can see the difference in the two hairs. This one is really silky and beautiful, while this one here is just there. Though the quality of the lace, the blend of this lace is so much more beautiful and really nice. When it comes to how fragile either of these two lace types are, obviously the transparent lace is more fragile because I said it's softer than the Swiss lace. So the transparent lace is more fragile than this Swiss lace right here. With this Swiss lace, you can use a Swiss lace for about 2 to 5 years, so long as the knots, like the hairs that were knotted on the lace, don't start to pull out. You can use this Swiss lace for a very long time. Whereas when it comes to the transparent lace, because of how fragile the lace is, if you don't manage your lace with care, you might have to change your lace after about 2 years of using it. So when it comes to longevity, the Swiss lace will last you longer. But when it comes to how natural your wig will look, the transparent lace is going to look so much more natural than the Swiss lace would look. And yeah, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope I was able to explain everything for you in a manner in which you'll be able to understand all of what you need to know. If there's something that you wanted me to touch on that I didn't touch on, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I would see you in my next video. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. I love you. Bye, guys.